So yes, very cloudy as we went throughout the rest of the morning. Just as skies were about to clear out, a low cloud deck set itself up and has just lingered up into eastern Pennsylvania and much of the four-state region here as we continue along into the afternoon. The one saving grace with this is we are seeing cooler temperatures as we head into the afternoon. Most of the last few days we've been nearing 90 degrees by this hour. We're sitting at 77 because of those overcast skies, so quite the difference out there as we continue along. And here's what I'm talking about. As we approach 9 o'clock, things were starting to clear out, and then this cloud deck just set itself up firmly over portions of Maryland. It does drift down into northern Virginia, but as you travel along Interstate 81 past the eastern panhandle, it does start to clear out, and there is plenty of sunshine down to the south into portions of Virginia and also back to the west in West Virginia. And again, a wider look here is just this cloud deck right through portions of Pennsylvania in the four-state region with plenty of sunshine all the way around. As we go into the afternoon, these clouds are still going to be out there, but we are going to start to see a few peaks of sunshine as we continue along. Even without the sun, though, we're still talking about temperatures generally in the middle to upper 70s, closer to the lower and middle 80s as you head further to the south. But Thermont still sitting at 73 degrees at this hour. Either way, though, you can feel that mugginess to the air. Dew points into the lower 70s. And that added moisture is why we will still see, again, some storms as we go throughout the rest of your afternoon. But the chance of stronger storms is lower now because we have limited the amount of heating we've seen out there as we go through the afternoon. And like I just mentioned, the humidity is not going anywhere. And if we get any sunshine here over the next few hours, it's going to warm up pretty quickly indeed. But either way, as we go over the next couple of hours, showers and storms will still fire right along the Blue Ridge Mountains and just drift around through the rest of the afternoon and evening. The coverage still not going to be as great as what we've seen over the last couple of days, including yesterday, as those storms will dissipate very quickly as we head into the overnight hours, and it'll be quiet through into your Wednesday morning. And yes, a few spotty showers and storms will be around again tomorrow, but the likelihood they'll be over the four-state region is fairly limited as we go throughout the rest of your Wednesday. So rain chances decreasing by the day as we continue along through the rest of the week before we bring those back later in the week on Friday. But there's the rainfall that we could see anywhere from a quarter to a half an inch at best where those storms set up for the most part. And again, we are still watching the threat for some flash flooding in those areas that saw a lot of rainfall near the D.C. metro last night if any storms drift that direction. But otherwise, again, the strong storm threat is very limited now through the afternoon thanks to the clouds. Well, still near 90 degrees, likely later this afternoon as that sun breaks out and the storms do start to develop. But otherwise, again, it starts to remain a little more on the quieter side through Wednesday and Thursday. And then we'll have those scattered thunderstorms back into the picture late Friday into Saturday.